Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to restore default iPhone settings without erasing your data. It's very simple and easy. I am using iOS 15. Okay, first step, open Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Then again scroll down. In very bottom we will see Transfer and Reset iPhone. Select it, then tap Reset. Select first option from pop-up menu, reset all settings. Enter your passcode or Face ID. Then again, we will open pop-up menu. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Then tap Reset all settings. From pop-up menu again tap on Reset all settings, and after tapping Reset all settings your iPhone is rebooting for 1 minute and then you can use your iPhone. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.